What's up, guys? Today we're gonna be doing a repair attempt on this 3-tap right here. We're in Clydeville, Georgia today. Sunny day, no winds, and yeah, we're just gonna check the pliability of this shingle. So, as you can see, no prior damage to the surrounding shingles right now. But without further ado, y'all, we're gonna just go ahead and jump straight into it. Super hot day. As you can see, these shingles are just unsealing very easily. We'll be using our roof snake, designed specifically for this situation. Get these staples out. As you can see, they are staples. Now, one thing to keep in mind with these staples is, geez, come show them this real quick. When we're going to get those out, a lot of times what you see is, and that one came out smoothly. It's straight. A lot of times what you see is it rips straight through just like that, all right? So now we have essentially a tear in that shingle. Not ideal.
That's hot.
Woo-wee.
Oh yeah, I know that thing's hot.
Alright, go ahead and slide this shingle in here. It is very hot. Shingles are very pliable at the moment. Love it. Alright, we're gonna go back with nails. It's just a better way to do it. Kick that hammer over the front again. Thanks, man.
The meat mallet.
The meat mallet. As you can hear from the bugs in the background, that we are in the country.
Quiet on you.
Quiet. We love it. My favorite places to be. I just want to go in smoothly. You can already see where we are having some creaking beginning.
I'm not gonna lie, bro. I'm cooking up here.
Oh, you're cooking?
Like,
Oh, I'm so sorry, bro. Let me hurry up and get
no,
this.
you just, no, I'm just, no, only because it's just hot.
Oh,
You do what you need to do, man.
oh no.
I was just telling Red.
Oh, no, I was being sarcastic, brother, because I'm cooking.
What is 90-something degrees right here?
A couple more nails. Yeah.
Well, that last repair we did, right? So many nails.
Bro, it was like 50. Bro, it was like, I don't even know. I mean,
Because usually,
you just like 8.
yeah, that one had like 15.
To take out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And
I
put
ain't
in.
putting these all back. So we only really need 6. Okay. So as y'all can see from this, it's definitely not pliable.
Breathe, man, breathe.
It's hot.
It is
All
hot.
right.
It is hot, bro.
It's hot, man. All right, but
I think my shoes melting as we speak.
I think so too. I think I'm melting. Like, I don't know if this is sweat or if this like my skin melting off.
Yeah.
But all right, y'all. As you can see, we got little pieces of shingles falling off right there. Can they see that crease on this one? You got a pretty solid crease right there on that one. Can they see that?
All the granules.
Right. Boom. You got a crease going on right here. We got creasing going on this one as well. So, yeah.
And the tears with the
With the tears,
with the staples
with the
as well.
staples, there's no way we can do a proper repair on that. I'm sure y'all know that based on the back slope being fully covered. So with that being said, this is a failed repair. We appreciate y'all watching. We'll get some good after photos for y'all, and hope you have a great rest of your day.